Big Jeff coming to you from BigJeffAudio.com, also B2 Audio USA. And it's been a minute. I'm hyped up because I've just been busy personally and the holidays and everything else, and I've been not doing this. And you know what? I'm doing this for you all. I'm doing this for the company. And we're talking about B2 Audio right here, the RAGE CDR-44s. Compression drivers. This is really cool. So we came out with compression drivers with a phenolic type, what do you call it? Voice coil. And also we wanted to keep them slim and mount. That's a bolt-on. Look how slim that is. Isn't that cool? Okay, so let's look over a couple specs here. You also get the bolts here to go in to bolt this down. And you can use whatever one you want. We're gonna come out with different heights and that, but I'm gonna play this later to show you the difference, right? That this makes going on here. And then when you get longer ones, it also changes the tone. But let's look at some specs and look how small things. First off, 200 watts RMS, 400 watts max. These are 4-ohm, 106 dB, and we sell them in pairs. Right now, time of this video is $99.95 a pair, or you get the whole pack for $109.95. That's 2 of these. Most companies sell it singular. We're giving you pairs. Okay, now let's look at this. 1.5 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz. Okay, so this thing plays pretty low. Great vocals. 106 dB to ferrite, titanium. Okay, overall diameter 4.53 inches, and the depth is only 4.53. Now, when they're saying the depth, that is both of these. You see that? It's actually less than that. So I'm not sure where the 4.53 is because, oh, maybe because you go all the way to the bottom. Yep. Well, no, it's not even that. So it's actually shorter than that. And this is off, which is even better. Look at that thing. All right. Now, we also have the replacement voice coils. They're sold in pairs. And I want to take you over here with the Big Jeff cam. Let's put that baby on. I have one hooked up over here. We have a full range amplifier, right? And I want to show you something here. And these things are so clear. I don't have a bass blocker on it, so I'm just using a crossover. Definitely recommend you use a bass blocker.
Jeff, you gon' feel that beat. Hank sound, big bass, no cap, all facts. If you want that rumble, we supplying all that. From the woofers to the tweeters, got the gear you.
Okay, so first thing I want you to notice is that when I put it on there, you actually hear more of the voice, the lower part of it, and that's because it's directioning the sound. So you can play those wide open if you want, but to get that, that's where they use different lengths and sizes of these. These are plastic ABS. You can paint them, you can scuff them, you can do whatever. Now, I don't have a bass blocker on this. Let's go back to the Big Jeff cam. I'm gonna talk to you. Big Jeff cam in the house. I don't have a bass blocker. We're using a crossover. I recommend do a bass blocker on here. It's just we're in a rush. Why? Well, you could set, say you want to lower, 1,000 or 800 or whatever, set down. Let's use in a DSP. Using a DSP, separately amped. That means on its own channel, so you can set that frequency. But let me turn this back up.
When you ride with Big Jeff, you gon' feel that beat.
Walk
Turn the volume up, let the trunk go boom.
It's firing up.
So high, shake the whole damn room. Competition ready, we don't play no games. When you roll with Big Jeff, they gon' know your name. Decibels peaking, meters.
Okay, hold on, we're gonna.
Neighbors looking crazy when the whole whip black. Got the amps wired up, full system go. When the bass line hit, make the rear view flex, no doubt. If you wanna be the loudest, we gon' max it out. From the lows to the highs, we supply that heat. Big Jeff Audio, yeah, we run these streets. Boom, boom, can you handle that pressure? Boom, boom, every ride sound better. Boom, boom, hey Jeff Audio, we got pro.
Okay, man, those things are super loud. And right there, that was only a 100-watt amplifier that's not even turned up, didn't even tune it. And these will take 200 watts RMS. My point is, if I had probably crossed over, I had bass blockers and capacitors on it, whatever you want to call them, I could have cranked that up in an even louder and hear how clear that was. Now, that's a normal high-pass filter, so it's playing way lower than it even recommends. Really cool, and for $100 a set, you can't go wrong. B2 Audio in the house again, coming out compression drivers. Now, January 26th, We have a couple other compression jars come out, a screw-on type. We have a bolt-on, and then we have a couple different sizes. So stay look on that. But if you want to add to your game, and what is it? Compression driver, tweeter. Tweeter, higher frequency, compression driver, more vocal, mid-range, mid-bass, subwoofer. And then you can even go in between that, but that's where you want to go. So check this out. Really cool. Separately boxed, but they're sold in pairs, so you don't have to worry about that. And we do have CDR-44 diaphragms to replace, and those sold in pairs too, so you blow it up. This one's easy. 4 bolts, comes off, pop it off, put a new one on. You can see it's even gold plated on the terminals. Let me grab the big Jeff cam. I didn't give you a close-up. There you go. Gold plated, nice white backing. You got the B2 Audio badging. Then on the other side, simple bolt. So you basically screw those in, and then you have the nuts to lock it down. Bam, done. Look at that. Look how slim that is, man. That's crazy. Okay, done with that. So check it out. We've already sold a ton of these. People are happy. There's a ton of videos, and now you got one for me, and you saw how loud that was with not even 100 watts. Imagine doubling that. Properly crossed over would be pretty cool. Listen, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing B2 Audio USA with the new CDR-44s. I'll see you on the next one.